Plaintiff Nicole Brown is suing her former friend for the value of personal property. Nicole claims the defendant's car was broken into while they were at a party, and all the items in the car were stolen, including the defendant's fake Coach purse and Nicole's real Louis Vuitton. Defendant Ashley Patterson insists her purse was real and Nicole is fake from head to toe. Ashley claims Nicole has herself to blame for the purse being stolen because she started drama with the people who took it.
Remain standing. The Honorable Judge Jeanine Pirro presiding.
Hello, Douglas.
Hello, Judge. Please be seated.
All right, the plaintiff is suing her former friend for the value of personal property. Nicole, state your case.
Well, the defendant and I, we met at school. We actually had a class together, and then we started hanging out because we discovered that we really like to party and stuff. So,
Your Honor,
Is that a lie already?
I'm not a party girl.
You're not a party girl?
No.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
And how old are you?
I'm 21 as well.
And you were in college together?
Right.
And you don't like to party?
She drinks, she's obnoxious, she's loud, she's just out of control.
When you party, you don't drink?
No. I like to go out and have a good time, but not rude, obnoxious, all that she does, no. Not at all.
All right, so your definition of party is rude and obnoxious. Your definition of party is go out and socialize.
Right.
Okay, go ahead.
So we go out and we party and we go to all these college parties and we are like the guy magnets because we're obviously really pretty.
Guy magnets?
Yes, guy magnets. All the guys like us.
I love confidence.
All the guys like us. We decided to go to one of my friend's surprise birthday parties. Mm-hmm. And because I was drinking before we got to the party, Ashley decided that she would drive. So I was drinking.
You're drinking, so Ashley drives.
Right. So she drives. So we get to the first party. It was okay, but it wasn't what we were looking for. So some of her friends told her that.
Your Honor, she likes the hood parties, if it's in the ghetto neighborhoods, that's the kind of party
Your
she
Honor,
likes.
she is lying. I was not even driving. I was drunk. I have no time to
the hood party. She didn't like the neighborhood it was in, so she was like, let's go to the hood and party.
Oh my God.
She said that? Let's go to the hood and
with
party?
the gangsters. The
Your
gangster
Honor,
neighborhood.
I am not from the hood. I don't know why I would want to go to the hood to party.
Well, 50 Cent is a gangster.
Right, she likes that.
All right, so you're more like Whitney Houston before she met Bobby Brown. Is that the deal?
That's her all the way.
So you're drunk. She's driving.
Right.
Where do we go?
We're going to a party. I'm just
Another
riding.
party.
Yes, I'm riding. I did not tell her which party to go to. She drove, so she took us to this party. And while we were on our way, she was getting phone calls from a number that she didn't know. So her boyfriend at the time was messing with another girl, and the girl was calling and playing on her phone, leaving her messages saying, I'm still sleeping with your boyfriend. I'm going to get you if you don't stop talking to him, and all of this stuff. And we just laughed it off. We thought it was just the girls just playing on the phone.
You getting phone calls, Ashley?
Yes.
What's she saying to you?
Why are you talking? We were dating the same guy.
Okay.
And I'm really calm and collective. And Nicole wants to take the phone and curse them out, leave her alone. She's been a good friend, but
but doesn't that tell you that she's ready to fight for you, that she doesn't like this other girlfriend calling and harassing you?
Right.
Okay.
But I wasn't as she wanted me to be, cursing them out, calling them this, calling them that. And Nicole did that.
All right. So you're yelling and screaming. That's a shock. Go ahead.
I did. Okay. We got into the party. Ashley took us to this ghetto party. People start fighting and stuff. So I'm like, Ashley, we really need to get out of this party before they start shooting. So Ashley's like, okay, let's go. So we get outside to the car, and Ashley's windows are busted out of her truck. So Ashley's like, oh my God. So we open the door, we go around, we check the trunk, and all of our things were gone. My Louis Vuitton purse, her fake Coach purse.
No, Your Honor.
Her fake Coach purse.
Your Honor, she's fake from hair to toe.
Girl, you're fake. Look at her. She's fake. Her purse is fake. You're fake.
Your Honor.
That purse she has today is probably fake, Your Honor. I'm sure you know what it is.
I brought my purse in the courtroom to show you this purse.
I'm the expert witness. I'm the judge. What are you talking about?
Purse is not
I
real.
know you know real from fake.
Witness.
Your Honor, if the purse is real, it's her sister's. It's not
Your
real.
Honor. You want to examine the purse?
If
not
it's real,
really,
it's not
but
yours.
now I'm curious. Bring it up here.
Go ahead.
If it's real, it's not hers. I guarantee you.
All right. So is the issue for the court today whether or not this purse is real?
No, I just want you to see what kind of girl I am.
Because I don't know if I'm qualified.
Things.
All right, hold on.
That's not the purse that was stolen, by the way.
I always wondered what was in another woman's handbag. Okay. Champs-Elysees, Paris, Louis Vuitton, Paris. That's interesting. This could be real.
They have really good knockoffs these days.
She would know.
I would not know, honey.
I don't know. Usually it has the underneath.
No,
But
that's
who am I
real.
to say? It's a lovely bag. All right. So let's assume her bag is real or not real. How is that relevant?
Well, that's not the bag that, that was stolen. Right. So I'm just
but we
letting you know.
digressed for a moment. Now we're back on track.
Right. So all of her things were stolen, my purse, her purse. And so she just starts crying hysterically. And I'm like, Ashley, we really need to go. You need to
That
stop.
tells me if she's crying hysterically that maybe it was real.
No. She was crying. I'm thinking because she's scared. They busted out her car windows and stole all of our stuff. So I'm like, Ashley, we really need to get out of here before they come back. You need to really stop trying to be bougie at this time. We need to go.
Bougie?
Your Honor.
Bougie.
Bougie?
Yes.
All
bougie.
right.
She's
What
very
does that
bougie.
mean?
Bougie is
Your Honor, it's her. She's bougie.
She's bougie?
Definition of bougie.
All right. Now, I want you to know,
Great.
because I read your statements and all of this bougie stuff, I told Doug to get me a hip-hop dictionary. All right? I mean, it's almost another language. Doug, I want to thank you. You can look up bougie, but in
You'll
the
see her
meantime,
picture
let's
next
keep
to
going.
it.
Go ahead.
So I'm like, we really need to get out of here before they come back and get you.
Look, can I ask a question? Why does anyone think they're going to start shooting if you're
Well,
at a
because
party?
she took me to this party in the ghetto. We were following her friends that, come from her hometown.
Whose friend was it? Your friend?
Mutual friends. Yeah.
All right, good. So you think there's going to be a shooting. You come out, your car's smashed up. Thanks. I got it. Yeah.
Bourget ghetto.
Bourgetto. Combination of terms of bourgeois and ghetto. Bourgetto.
Yeah.
All right, that doesn't explain anything, but go ahead.
So we just noticed that everything is going and Ashley's crying. So we get ready to leave. We get in the car. We
Right.
go home. And
Did you call the police?
Yes.
we didn't call until we got home, though.
You did. Do you have a police report?
I don't have it with me, but I do have one, and I filed a claim through AAA.
Did you antagonize the girls who were calling her saying, stay away from my boyfriend?
No.
Yeah, you're
yes.
shifting eyes.
No, I did not. I don't even have their numbers. They don't even know my name.
All right. What's your version of what's going on?
Okay, so let me start from the beginning. Nicole, I told
Start
you
in
how
the middle.
I told you how she is. She's just outgoing, dramatically, just rude, obnoxious. She'll curse you out in a second. I'm surprised she hasn't wilded out in court. But that night we went to go to a party. We all partied like around our college campus. And then it wasn't to her speed, to her ghetto-ness. So we went to where she likes to party at. It was like 15, 20 minutes away. And then we were in the party for like 20 minutes, but a fight did break out. Nicole starts dragging me, talking about she hears guns and she hears shooting. And so she drags me out, and then we walked up on the car and we noticed like the windows were broken out.
Now, the two of you are saying that you left your bags in the car?
Right.
All
I didn't
right,
want
so
to take
you
my
had-
designer bag into this
Your
ghetto
fake
party.
designer bag, Your Honor. She's
What
fake.
bag
The hair's
were you
fake.
carrying?
I had a Louis Vuitton speaker.
You had a Louis Vuitton and you had a Coach.
I had the Coach at the time,
All right.
yes.
If I'm a young girl going to a party and you probably were dressed to the nines.
Yes, I
You
have
look
pictures
beautiful.
of how I look when I go out.
Okay, let's see the pictures.
This girl is nuts.
All right, so you're dressed to the nines and you go into the party. Who's this? Oh,
That's me.
That's Ashley. You look lovely.
And then those
Oh
are me and
my
my sisters when we
goodness.
went out.
The
Yeah.
bougie triplets.
I look good from head to toe. Nothing's fake.
Girl, please, you are fake. You are fake.
So if I'm going to a party and I look like $1 million and I've got a real Louis Vuitton and I've got a real Coach, the first thing I want to do is walk into the party and make sure everybody knows I got my real Coach and my real Louis.
But
So
she
why are
took-
you leaving them in the car?
Because she took us to a ghetto party, so I had to leave mine in the car. I left my wallet, my keys, and everything in the car. Because I knew where we were at.
All right. So why are you suing her?
I'm suing her simply because we made the insurance claim.
Who made the insurance
Your
claim?
Honor, I did. I made the claim. Like, I had car insurance to replace the windows, but the property in the car,
Right.
it has to be covered through homeowners insurance.
Right.
And it only covers the people that live in the home.
Did you submit her bag?
Right, I did, and they denied it.
No.
They denied it. And then
How do you know
I
what
have
her
no-
insurance company did?
She got money for a laptop in the car that was for her sister's boyfriend. So I feel like if everyone else is not supposed to get money for things that are not on the insurance, then why did he get money for a laptop? I talked to the insurance company the morning we made the claim. He took my social security number. I sent pictures, evidence of everything from my bag, my
To
wallet.
her insurance company?
Yes. And I feel like if they weren't going to give me the money, if they were never going to consider
Your
me,
Honor.
they would have never taken me in the first
Nicole,
place.
you're a young girl. Let me
sorry.
clue you into something.
Okay, go
An
ahead.
insurance company can ask all kinds of questions. They can make
Right.
all kinds of inquiry. That is no guarantee that you're going to get money from them, especially if it's her homeowners.
Right.
All right. So do you have homeowners?
I am insured through Mercury, so, and I don't own a home, so no.
Do you have renter's insurance?
What is renter's insurance?
Your Honor. So she's suing me for $950. Yeah, I'll give her $959.50 for her fake merchandise.
Girl,
All right,
please.
okay. You're suing her for the wallet, for the purse, and for replacement keys.
Right, from my car.
All right. So you think that she should have to pay you for that?
Yes.
Did she break into the car?
No, she did not.
It was vandalized by someone else.
But I wasn't targeted. I was targeted because of her.
And she knows the situation, and I have police reports, and I've been harassed over and over. I have pictures of my car being broken into, tires slashed, a brick thrown into my windshield. Do you want to see these?
I don't want to see it. The one thing you should have brought was a police report. Here's the issue. The issue is whether or not the defendant is liable to the plaintiff for her Louis Vuitton bag, for her Dooney and Burke purse or wallet, and replacement keys. And the plaintiff is saying, hey, look, I talked to her insurance agent, and she submitted to her insurance company, and therefore I should get $950. The truth is that when your car is broken into, your insurance company doesn't pay you for items that are in the car. I know my car was broken into in Manhattan, all right? And I had a TomTom in there, and they said it wasn't really part of the car, that I could take it with me, and therefore it wasn't covered, and therefore I needed to submit to my homeowners, which is apparently what they told you as well. Now, the fact is that you could have submitted to your homeowners. Her insurance company is not required to pay you for a bag that was in her car that was vandalized by someone that we don't even know. So the truth is she doesn't owe you any money, and what you've got to do is what everybody else has to do, and you have to submit to your own homeowner's insurance. So ordered.
I don't mind being friends. I don't have nothing against Nicole. I don't know what's going to happen to the friendship. It's her who's bitter and mad about her purse. She can file a claim just like the judge said.